Hello, welcome back to Limon's kitchen. Thank you guys for coming back to my kitchen. In this video we are going to prepare Ghanaian Bofrot, and in Nigeria it's called puff puff. So this is my 30 grams of milk. So I'll add in some sugar. The sugar, it depends on how you want your sugar. So I'm going to use just 3 tablespoons of sugar because I'm preparing this one for my kids and I don't have to add more sugar. They don't like sugary food. So I will then go ahead and add in my all-purpose flour after adding my sugar. So this is my yeast, dry yeast. I'll add in 1 tablespoon of dry yeast and I'll give it a little bit stir. So after mixing my mixture, I found out that it's built small. I don't think I'm going to get enough puff puff from this mixture, so I added in some flour. So I'll go ahead and add more ingredients for me to get enough puff puff. So this is my mixture. You can see the mixture have become very heavy, so I need to add extra milk, but I'll add it later. So this is butter I've added. This butter is optional, and 1 egg. Butter and egg is optional. You can use them, but I prefer you use them because this butter and egg give the puff puff extra taste. So I added in some milk in order for my mixture to become a little bit lighter, because when I added in extra flour it become more heavier. So you are going to beat it to introduce more air to it. So after beating the dough, you cover it for about 2 or 3 hours in order for the yeast to ferment and rise up. So this is my dough after I covered it for 2 to 3 hours. So everything rises up, the mixture rises. So I'm beating it in order for it to become smooth, then start frying it. Take notes, I was so busy in order for me to show where I covered my dough all those time. That is why you can see I cut it from the video. So my dough is ready, and please pardon me, I'm not good in modeling of this mixture, but I think this time around I try my possible best. If you know how to do it well, you tell me in the comment section, okay? So my puff puff or Bofrot is almost ready. You don't have to leave it on fire for longer time. If you put the dough inside, you just turn it up 1, 2, but make sure the oil is on low medium heat. But before you start, make sure you heat your oil very well in order for you to get a beautiful outcome like this. So my modeling is not good, but time's going on, I'll be perfect with the modeling. Thank you guys for watching to an end. God bless you. See you guys on my next video. You can suggest any video I have to make, and I promise to deliver the video for you, okay? See you guys my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys. Don't forget to leave comments in the comment section. Kiss kiss.